Hello guys, welcome to online web tutor presented by Preferred Expressions team. I am Sanjay. Now from this video session guys, we are going to start a upgraded playlist of WordPress widget development. Already we have a playlist in our channel, but that playlist is up to the old version of WordPress. Now inside this course, or let's say inside this playlist, we will install our latest version of WordPress, that is 5.4.1, and try to develop our widgets. So as this is our first part, so inside this video we are going to take an overview, that is inside this playlist what we are going to develop. So if I back to browser, now by the help of a plugin, it means that we are going to develop a plugin inside this playlist. By the help of a plugin, we are going to create some sets of widgets. So before using widgets in WordPress, we need to understand that what basically a widget is. So widgets are nothing, these are commonly informative boxes. Those informative boxes which provides some kind of informations to our WordPress sites. So if I go to plugin section, go to our install plugin, so as we can see that this is a plugin list. Inside this we have got widgets gallery. This is our custom plugin that we have developed. So this is all about plugin description. This is a plugin which creates widgets for the WordPress setup. Let's activate this plugin. Go to appearances. So to find or settings of any widget in WordPress, we need to go inside this appearance, and here we have a widgets submenu. So if I press on this button, so while activating that plugin like widgets gallery, we have something called COVID-19 tracker, as well as we have my profile. These are the two widgets commonly included inside this list while activating that plugin. Again, if I go to plugins list, deactivate that, go inside this appearance, widget, and if I find all about those widgets are missing. It means that by the help of plugin, we are going to create some widgets inside this WordPress. We have not only the plugin option. If suppose the whole code, if I copy and paste inside functions.php of WordPress, then the widgets will be created. Now if I go to appearance tab, back to widget section, and let's say that right now we have two footers. Also, if you go inside these themes, inside this themes panel, right now 2020 theme is currently activated. So if I open widget site into a new tab, so right now we have two footers, that is footer 1 and footer 2. So if I go to widgets panel, let's say that we are going to add this COVID-19 tracker. Click on this footer 2 because we are going to add this widget to our footer 2 section. Click on add widget. So here we need to provide a title. So let's say that this is COVID-19 tracker. If I press save button, go to the front end, reload this page, and if I scroll down, now as we can see that here we have a widget. This is the widget introduced or included inside this WordPress site to give all the informations about COVID-19. This is all about a tracker which is tracking all the details via our global, means over the globe, as well as we can see that here we have a list country wise. So this is the data actually we are getting from an API. So inside this playlist we also see that how can we integrate about a third-party API inside our widget, and also by the help of that API how can we include our informations as we are currently seeing for this COVID-19 tracker. Back to admin panel. So this is our first part that we are going to develop, like this is the information to indicates all suffering from COVID-19 over the globe as well as country wise. Back to our admin panel. Now here we have the second profile, means second widget. So if I click on that, adding to footer 2, click on add widget. So here we need to supply a title, a YouTube URL, Facebook URL, and a short description. So let's say that simply I'm tell about me. If I back to slide, if I copy this Facebook URL, pasting it here. And if I copy this, let's say https colon, let's say youtube.com, let's online web tutor. This is our YouTube channel URL. So here, this is a kind of sample profile details added by WordPress widget. Here inside this, we are adding Facebook and YouTube URLs. So here inside this, we can add our own custom introduction. So this is another widget. Inside this, we are taking some information from the admin like title, YouTube URL, Facebook URL, and the description. So if I click on save button, back to front end, reload this page, and remember, we have added the second widget after this COVID-19 tracker. Back to front end, and as we can see that this is another widget we have. Let's say its title, it's all about description. Here we have YouTube URL. So if I click on that, it is redirecting to the channel, and also here we have a Facebook URL. So this is all about widgets overview inside the latest version of WordPress, that is 5.4.1. So inside this whole playlist guys, we are going to see that what are the basic sets of things we need to know while creating any widgets in WordPress, as well as by the help of this widget we understood that we are going to learn about integration of third-party APIs inside this, as well as by using this My Profile we can also understood that by the help of that we are going to take some custom information and display into our website as an informative box. So inside this video session guys, if you went out, then please drop your comment. I will give my reply as soon as possible. So for this video session guys, thank you for watching and have a great day.